Hello, my name is Eduardo Castro, and this is Fall 2024. In this video, I'll be describing the location and function of 18 structures of the eye. Let's get started. Okay, I'll start with the cornea. So the cornea is located at the very front of the eye. It's the transparent dome-shaped outer layer that covers the iris and the pupil. Its curved shape helps focus light entering the eye, providing most of the eye's refractive power. And I'll go ahead and have my joke of the day here. So why did the cornea go to therapy? Because it had too much curvature and couldn't stay focused. All right, we'll move on to the conjunctiva. The conjunctiva is a clear membrane located on the outer surface of the eye. It covers the white part of the eye, known as the sclera, and also lines the inner surface of the eyelids. The iris is located behind the cornea. It's the colored part of the eye surrounding the pupil, and it controls how much light enters the eye by adjusting the pupil size. The pupil is the circular opening in the center of the iris. It's located right behind the cornea and appears black because it is a hole that allows light to pass into the inner eye. The aqueous humor is the clear watery fluid found in the anterior chamber of the eye. This chamber is located between the cornea and the lens, and the aqueous humor helps provide nutrients to these structures and maintains eye pressure. The lens is situated behind the iris and in front of the vitreous humor. It's a transparent structure that focuses light onto the retina by changing its shape. It's held in place by suspensory ligaments. Okay. The canal of Schlemm is located at the junction between the iris and the cornea, near the outer rim of the iris. It drains the aqueous humor from the eye into the bloodstream, helping regulate eye pressure. Okay, the ciliary body. The ciliary body or the ciliary muscles are found in the middle part of the eye near the lens. They surround the lens and are responsible for adjusting its shape to focus on near or distant objects. The suspensory ligaments are located between the lens and the ciliary body. These fibers attach the lens to the muscles, allowing the lens to change shape as needed for focusing. The vitreous and the vitreous humor is located in the posterior chamber of the eye, filling the space between the lens and the retina at the back of the eye. This clear jelly-like substance helps maintain the eye's shape and supports the retina. The optic nerve is located at the back of the eye, extending from the optic disc. It connects the eye to the brain and carries visual information in the form of nerve impulses. The optic disc and blind spot. The optic disc is located at the back of the eye where the optic nerve exits the retina. This is also known as the blind spot because no photoreceptors are present in this area. The macula is a small, specialized area of the retina located near the center of the back of the eye. It contains a high concentration of cone cells and is responsible for sharp central vision. The fovea centralis is located at the center of the macula, which itself is in the retina. It contains the highest concentration of cone cells and is where we achieve our sharpest 20/20 vision. The ora serrata is located at the boundary where the retina ends. It's the point where the light-sensitive part of the eye transitions into the ciliary body and the choroid layer. The retina is the innermost layer of the eye, lining the back of the eye. It contains photoreceptors, rods and cones, that detect light and convert it into electrical signals sent to the brain. The choroid is located between the retina and the sclera at the back of the eye. It's rich with blood vessels that nourish the retina and support its function. The sclera is the tough white outer layer of the eye. It surrounds most of the eyeball and provides protection and structure except for the front where the cornea is located. All right, and that is a brief overview of the eye's anatomy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.